Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to another edition of This is Cooking with Mafia. Today is a refrigerator raid edition, so let's see what I have on deck for everyone. Okay, we have some beef round, which was pre-cut up right there. We have some red potatoes. We also have one large green pepper. We have asparagus. We have green onions. That is a fresh piece of ginger right there, which I grated up a little bit. We have 2 tablespoons of canola oil. This is fresh cilantro right there. We have 3 cloves of garlic. We also have soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, adobo, sazon. That's a beef bouillon cube right there. We have 2 cups of water in the back right there. My co-host in the background. We also have some broccoli and some cauliflower that will be steaming up. And as always, let's get the cooking, baby. Okay, let's get this dish started. As you can see, the water is, well, you can't see the water is boiling, but the steam is coming up. We're going to add the asparagus to there. Let me grab the top real quick. We're going to let that steam for 7 minutes, and then we're going to add that to the rest of the dish. And while that is cooking up, we are going to add our canola oil to the hot pan right there. Let's just swirl that around. There we go. Okay, let's let that get hot. We want to put that on a high heat. I want to cook this steak for 2 to 3 minutes before I add the water. So here is our steak right here. We are going to put that down right there. Let me just give this a little shaky shake. There we go. Again, we're going to cook that for 2 and 3 minutes before we add the water. So give me one moment. Okay, our steak has been cooking for 3 minutes. The natural juices have came out. Now let's start adding some of the seasoning and the water. We have half a pack of sazon. We're gonna sprinkle some adobo. Now be generous because this is going to take 45 minutes. Well, I should say half an hour to 45 minutes to cook. Okay, we're gonna add our 2 cups of water to the mix. Alright, give me one moment. I have to open up the soy sauce and the vinegar. Okay, now these measurements aren't precise, but I'm gonna go with that much of the apple cider vinegar in there. And I'm gonna say maybe about 10 drops of the soy sauce. And while we are at it, we're gonna add our green onions. There we go. Very nice. Boom. And also, we have our cilantro, our garlic, and our ginger. We're gonna add that to the mix. Let me grab my big spoon. There we go. Let me just switch this up. Okay, let's give this a nice stir. Incorporate all those flavors into there. Now, while this is cooking up, I am going to chop up that potato, and I am going to chop up that green bell pepper. So stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned. Okay, we've added our seasoning. Now I have chopped up our potatoes. We are gonna add those in real quick, but I did notice something. I'm gonna have to put another cup of water in there. There we go. That should do it. And I didn't forget our bouillon cube, our beef bouillon cube. Matter of fact, let's just add the rest of that. Now, this is going to finish cooking for another half an hour, and I will show you how that is coming out momentarily. Whoops, silly me, I forgot. Wait for it. The green peppers. There we go. Okay, let's stir that in. I'm gonna cover that with a top, let that finish cooking, and once again we shall return. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here is a quick shot of our dish. I tasted the potatoes. They are almost done. The steak needs another maybe 5 to 10 minutes to cook. Our asparagus, broccoli, and our cauliflower, are done. And I decided, you know what? Let's make some cheddar, broccoli, rice, and pasta blend to go with that. So once everything is finished cooking, I will show you that, and then we will get to the final results. Okay, our steak and veggies and potatoes are done perfectly. Our rice just has to finish steaming up, so give me a moment. The final results will be coming right up. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here are the final results of This Is Cooking with Mafia. We have our steak, potatoes, and veggies hooked up. We have our asparagus with our broccoli and cauliflower. Let me give you a closer shot of every nice, boom, boom, boom. We have our drinks in the background, and we have my co-host in the background as always. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching and supporting. It is greatly appreciated. Please like and subscribe. Also, please go support the Dr. Huge Show and Speeds of the Benchmark Show. They are over on Twitch. Tell them This Is Cooking with Mafia sent you. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, please have a good night. Have a safe night. Peace, everybody. Nummy num delicious.